Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you all the common ways to activate and deactivate a virtual environment on Windows 11, step by step. Let me tell you first what is a virtual environment. A virtual environment is an isolated Python workspace where you can install packages without affecting your global Python installation. This is a best practice followed in real-world Python projects. Before I show you how to activate the virtual environment, let me create one Python project folder. If you already have one created, navigate to that folder. So I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. I'm going to go to New and then click on Folder. Here is my new folder. Now let me rename this folder to Activate_VNV. Here is my Activate_VNV Python project folder. We are going to create a virtual environment within this Python project folder. So let's open command prompt. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon and then type CMD in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it and there you go, it opens. Let's now go inside this folder in command prompt. So right click on your folder and click on copy as path and come back to command prompt and write CD. After space, just paste this path. You can paste the path by simply right clicking here. Now hit enter and you will be inside this folder. Let's now create a Python virtual environment. The command is very simple. It is Python space -m VNV after space and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it my_VNV. Hit enter. Now if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. And there you go. No error. Let's see our my_VNV using the dir command. You can see my_VNV virtual environment has been created. Now, let's activate this virtual environment my_VNV. Here is the first way to activate it. Type the name of the virtual environment, which is my_VNV. Type \, then type scripts with capital S. Type \, again. Type activate and hit enter. There you go. The virtual environment my_VNV is active because once a virtual environment is activated, you will see the virtual environment name in brackets. That's how you know it's active. Now let me show you how to activate virtual environment when you are using PowerShell. So let's open PowerShell. To do that, I'm going to right click on my Python project folder and then click on Open in Terminal. There you go. Windows PowerShell is open. And interestingly, we are directly inside the Python project folder Activate_VNV. Here we are going to type this command. So we'll type / name of the virtual environment, which is my_VNV / scripts with capital S / activate with capital A .py. Hit enter and there you go. You can see my_VNV has become active. PowerShell uses a slightly different activation script compared to command prompt. Now I'm going to tell you how to activate virtual environment if you are using Git Bash. So let's open this folder in Git Bash. Right click on your Python project folder and then click on Show More Options. Now if you got Git installed on your Windows 11 system, then you will see Open Git Bash here option in this menu. Click on it. And there you go. You have opened this folder inside Git Bash. Git Bash follows a Linux style activation command. So here you are going to write source my_VNV, that's after space, / scripts, that's with capital S, / activate. Hit enter. And there you go. You have just learned how to activate virtual environment in Git Bash as well. Now let me show you how to check if virtual environment is active. Go to command prompt and type here where space Python. Hit enter. You can see the first Python path points to my_VNV. That's our virtual environment. This proves that your virtual environment is active. Now finally, you are going to learn how to deactivate virtual environment. So simply type the command deactivate. And you will be out of the virtual environment. Let's do this in every terminal. So let's do it in PowerShell as well. There you go. We are out of the virtual environment, and let's do this in Git Bash as well. Type deactivate, and there you go. The virtual environment is no longer active. Always activate virtual environment before starting a new project and install packages in that virtual environment only so that they stay isolated from the global Python installation. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning multiple ways to activate a virtual environment and then deactivate it from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.